Alright, time to do a big 3 on a 97. Dodge Dakota, right?
Dodge Ram.
Dodge Ram. See, my friend thought it was a Dakota. I'm like, no, it's definitely a Dodge Ram. This looks juicy.
Yeah, we need to get that.
You having any starting issues?
No, none.
Ooh. Alright. I should probably get a video of the actual box I made too. I'll throw up pictures on the at the end of the video. Have any issues with the box or anything?
Nope.
Or still loud as fuck?
It can get as low as 24.
Nice.
23 slowly bottoms up, 22 bottoms out for good. So you can get that low. Hit the lows as low as that.
The low lows. 3 SA10s on a Hifonics Brutus 2K. Alright, and then get the stuff on video. Dude, I fucking hate this fall shit, man. Ugh. Good old excess power cable. Alright, let's do this. Alright, finally finished the freaking Big 3 upgrade. Had to shave off a little bit of the plastic, ran it around, zip tied it all nice like, got the fuse holders right there. Oh, that's the fuck, I was like, why the hell is this wire here? That's the actual wire for the actual power. Did the ground right here, really short little run, and we ran the ground to the engine frame, so. Huh?
How much that was a pain?
Yeah, this was a pain in the ass to fucking drill through for some reason, just because the way it was lipped at, but whatever, it's all fine now. It's good. Big 3 upgrade done, so yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to show a little clip in a little bit on the same video of the actual bass, and the video will be done, and I'm going to go home and drink a 40 ounce, so alright, enjoy.